Did you know that your gut is the second brain of the body? Gut health impacts you emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Gut health is very important in nearly all aspects of your life. The gut contains several types of organisms that make up a microbiome. That is a complex organ that will regulate your metabolism, will nourish the immune system, and will help balance your hormones as well as your mood. Today, I will talk about the significance of gut health and why it interferes with your immune system and your mood balance. The significance of gut health is your gut is a biome which is populated by many microorganisms, which engages with many of the systems in your body that helps function your everyday life. It plays a very crucial part in your body that some medical professionals have compared it to an organ which stems from the second brain of the body. Bacteria in your gut helps break down difficult carbs and dietary fibers that your body cannot break down on its own. Um, Although they may appear to be minor nutrients, micronutrient shortages can have serious consequences to your body if not taken out properly by nourishing the gut. Your gut is a very important part of your body, as those minor deficiencies can be helped through the action of prioritizing your gut in order to break down all toxic waste. Now that we know a little bit more about our gut, we can move forward to talk about our immune system and why the gut and immune system thoroughly mesh together. The immune system is a critical to the vulnerability, endurance, and clearing up all illnesses. The gut contains almost 70 to 80% of the immune cells, which results in an interplay between the microbiome of the gut and the immune system. A healthy microbiome regulates immune system reactions, allowing your body to efficiently combat dangerous illnesses like a cold, a fever, COVID, um, while avoiding overreactions that can lead to inflaming or other autoimmune diseases. When the balance of the gut bacteria is upset by factors such as poor food, stress, antibiotics, um, or sickness, it can weaken the immune system, making you feel even more sicker than you originally felt. A properly functioning gut promotes immune function and overall wellness, as well as having better digestion, having a better process of digestion, and it helps clear up skin problems as well as fixing your sleep and having less mood swings. Now that we know a little bit more about our gut and our immune system, we will talk about the mood balance that is caused by gut. A healthy gut promotes mood balance by um, modulating neurotransmission production, such as serotonin, and lowering inflammation, which can impair brain function. Individuals tend to have many mood swings throughout the day, but have you ever wondered why that may be? Well, in a study, Gut Feelings How Food Affects Your Mood by Uma Naidu, she shares that eating a healthy, balanced diet, such as known as the Mediterranean diet, and avoiding foods that cause inflammation may help prevent depression or any unnecessary mood swings. The vagus nerve transfers chemical messages from your intestines to your brain. These signals inform your brain what's going on in your stomach, which also might influence your mood and your mental health because sometimes if we have an upset stomach, we will feel upset and sick. Your emotions and feelings send signals through the vagus nerve, which might create difficulties in your gut, and having an imbalanced mood can be caused by the lack of our gut health, as it is one of the most important parts of our body, just like the brain. Today we talked about the significance of gut health and how it intercepts through the immune system as well as our mood imbalances. The gut health is the second part of the brain, so it has a lot of responsibility because it is taking over our body emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Um, but I hope now that you know a little bit more about gut health, you will start to realize the signs you may have before you get sick and how you can properly help yourself and why it makes sense as to why we sometimes feel sicker than usual or we just don't feel as good.